Hello दोस्तों, welcome to my YouTube channel Be a Programmer में. So today we are going to talk about a very good internship opportunity. You might have seen my thumbnail and title that we are going to see about the Amazon and what is the internship about, who all are eligible, what is the responsibility you will be doing, and what is the work you will be doing in Amazon as an intern. So we are going to talk about everything, and the best part that is what are the minimum eligibility criteria we will be seeing. We will be seeing everything. If you are watching this video, you don't need to go anywhere for this topic. So we are coming up with these kind of video. If you haven't liked this video, please hit that like button and press that subscribe button too, and let's start with the video and let's see what is the process. So as you can see on my screen, this is the basic site of SDE, that is SDE intern, that is software development executive intern, that is software developer. You will be working as a software developer. You are working as a team, in a team of experienced people, and with your colleagues also. Some experienced people will be working with you so that you get a good idea of the internship. And the responsibility will be, what are the responsibility? When you will go here, you can see the responsibilities, that is build robust solution to the some of the challenging text detection and the computer vision. That is, you can assume it as a artificial intelligence internship. You can assume it like that because Amazon is also working as the latest technologies. There are many products of Amazon. It is a product based company. You might have seen many products like what we say Alexa, and different projects are there. So you can see here that the main thing is that you are working as a software developer intern. Okay, so when you will see your basic communication skills, that is basic qualifications, programming experience with least one. If you have at least one programming language experience, or you are knowing one programming language, that is, you have done some projects or you have done some demo projects at your college, so you can apply for this. If you have a knowledge of C also, C++ or Java also, then also you can apply. If you have any one of them, then also you can go for it, because one language, a preference of one language, a good knowledge is mandatory. That is it has been already mentioned. So when you will go here, then there is a preferred qualification section, that is excellent communication and analytical skills. That is very common if you are going for any job role. If you are going for any job role in that industry or any company, communication skills are very important, because like it is the thing that how you communicate with the people, because English is a standard language, and many of you are getting confused that English who speaks English good are good at communication skills. That is not anything. If you know to have a good communication skills, that is, you know to talk to everyone. Okay, so I have made many videos on that also, on the career guidance section. When you will go down in the playlist section, like in the description, you will get a playlist of career guidance that I have made a video on that, and you will get one thing, that how I improved my English, how I improved my communication skills. That is important, because I have explained this thing only in that particular video, that how I improved my communication skills, how I improved my like English speaking skills. That is very important. You can see that what I like practice, that only you can also practice to speak a good English, to speak to be very good at communication skills. So how to apply? When you will scroll up, your location will be, as it is mentioned here, that is software development is your role, and your location will be Bangalore. That is a very good city. I am also living in this city only for now. And when you will click on this apply now button, how to apply? Click on this apply now button, you will be directed to a page, that is Amazon jobs. You have to fill this form. It is a very simple process here. You have to just click on this, you have to fill this. Like, you can also log in with your Amazon shopping job, that is your same email ID can also work here. That is not an issue. You have to register to this, or you can log in here directly and fill the form, fill the resume. That is it. That is a very simple process. If you face any issue, just go down and comment here that you face this issue. Anyone who are good at these things, they can also help, or if I see that comment, I will also do that. That is not an issue, because of some hectic schedule, I will not be able to explain everything to you, because this is the thing and this is the process. And let's see. So this is about the video. I have explained everything. So this was all about the video. Thank you for watching this video. We have talked about the qualification, we have talked about what are the things you are going to do, what are the qualification, what is the responsibilities you will be doing, what will be you doing as an intern in the Amazon. So this was all about it. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet you in the next videos with some more informative topics, with some more videos like this, some more informations like this. So no need to worry about that thing. We are going to come up with daily update. So this was all about the video. Thank you for watching this video. Meet you in the next video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.